Welcome to Bo Kitchen. Today we're gonna show how to make chicken and rice, drumstick, and soy sauce, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and a powder and the egg, onion powder. This kind brand I use for powder. For the rice, for the chicken, mix with crispy batter. Some black pepper. You throw some 2 eggs in here. Make sure the egg don't have no shell. Throw some salt, black pepper, some soy sauce, some onion powder. Now we're gonna mix this very good and leave probably about 10 or 15 minutes, marinate. Now we mix salt, everything, and black pepper, onion powder together, and egg, marinate for 10 minutes already. We can throw the powder. Mix it very well and leave maybe another 10 minutes. 10 minutes we can deep fry them. My chicken and rice, I don't put too much batter or not too much powder. Just this kind, I put just a little bit, make only like crispy. If you put too much, it's not come out crispy. Let's start with continue do chicken and rice. The oil is about hot, medium high heat, and we're gonna throw some chicken in, the marinated chicken. Fry them here probably about until well done cooked. Now chicken and rice ready. We serve with sticky rice, some fried chicken, the drumstick. They have hot sauce, jalapeno, and Thai chili sauce with lemon, and fish sauce, cilantro. Delicious. Enjoy and follow the TikTok and watch more video.